emergency strikes, do you know what to do? Because we gotta stay safe, and friends and family do too. Let's build a plan and a kit we can use, and share the lessons we learn with everyone in our crew.
Hey everyone!
With Pedro the Penguin. Be prepared.
Be prepared.
Take action.
Take action.
So buckle on up and let's begin. If you wanna be prepared, come on and learn along with him.
In this natural tuxedo, I'm prepared for any occasion.
Come on and prepare with Pedro.
A wildfire can spread. Oh, hey friends. Pedro's the name, and preparing for emergencies? Yep, that's my game. Boy, if there's one kind of emergency that's really struck a chord with me lately, it's wildfires. A wildfire is a fire that burns out of control. See, I was hanging with my pals the other day, and we were getting ready to tell fireside stories. You know what would be the best? If I told you the story. A fireside story. Yeah, come on, follow me.
This is Pedro the Penguin. Tonight was backyard campout night, and Pedro was especially looking forward to what was coming after dinner.
All right, peeps, it's almost time for our after-dinner talent show. Start thinking about a story to tell, a song to sing, or Pedro's fave, some really good jokes. Curtain call is in 10.
Oh boy, gotta plan my set. Ever wonder why they call them marshmallows? They ain't marshy, they don't make you mellow. Is that anything? Oh no, I've lost my funny.
Ugh, careful there, Pedro. Don't want to start a wildfire.
Sorry. Wait, what's a wildfire?
A wildfire's a big fire that can turn into an emergency.
Idea brainstorm. How about we make the theme of tonight's show wildfire lessons? Before curtain call, let's teach Pedro about wildfire safety and get inspired.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Great idea, Pops.
I know, right?
Come on, Pedro. I'll teach you some more, and maybe that'll spark some ideas.
That's my boy.
Okay, buddy. A wildfire is a fire that burns out of control in open spaces or even near your home. They spread quickly and can burn trees, brush, and even buildings.
Yowza, Yuma! How does a fire that big start?
Well, every fire starts with a spark. And sadly, people who aren't careful with fire usually cause them. Plus, when it's hot, dry, and windy outside, that's when a fire can really grow out of control.
Flamin' fish burgers! A wildfire takes just a spark?
That's right, pal. But luckily, there are a few things we can do to be prepared. Come with me and I'll show you how. Maybe we'll even dust up some comic relief.
Oh, great stuff.
That's my boy.
By checking the TV, phone, or local radio, you might see what the fire danger level is like in your area. Ooh, like this!
Good evening, I'm Flint Embersworth with tonight's weather update. Today's fire danger level is moderate.
A fire weather watch will tell you if a wildfire could start in your area soon. Or if you see a red flag warning, you'll know there's real fire danger now. When the wildfire's close, 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 and you're ready to go, 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 the most important thing, the thing that you gotta know is TV, phone, local radio, gotta check them all. So you know if a wildfire's coming in to stay on your toes, then evacuate when it's time to go. Evacuate means to leave and go somewhere safer. We should sign up for local alerts and plan different routes in case a road is closed. Oh,
TV, phone, local radio, gotta check them all. So you know if a wildfire's coming in to stay on your toes, then evacuate when it's time to go. Hey, Mrs. Elan's mom, what happened when the 5G phone married the radio?
What?
Great reception?
You're getting closer, Pedro, but time's a-wastin'. Let's learn how to be prepared beforehand. You can keep an emergency kit in your car with things like food, water, money, chargers, and batteries, just in case.
Oh, I love a good kit. Makes me feel ready to rock!
Yeah, me too. And we should also be ready to rake. Kids can help rake leaves and debris from around the home, and grown-ups should clear the gutters and roof, and trim any nearby branches. Well, what do you say? Think you can remember all this stuff and come up with some material?
Pedro did his very best to remember everything he'd learned about what to do to prepare for a wildfire. But suddenly, he was filled with a heavy feeling.
So much to remember. So few jokes. Oh.
Come on, Pedro, it's almost... Uh-oh. You feeling okay, buddy?
I don't know. I'm feeling something big.
Oh, man. Sometimes I get so worked up that I don't even know what I'm feeling either. Try this. What's your big feeling? What's your big feeling? Breathe in slow and out the same. Picture your emotion. Picture your emotion. Give it a name. Give it a name. I feel worried for my friend Pedro. Okay, you try.
What's your big feeling? What's your big feeling? Breathe in slow and out the same. Picture your emotion. Picture your emotion. Give it a name. Give it a name. I feel anxious. We gotta keep out that smoke. When you get down to it, a wildfire's no joke. Yuma, that's it! Mrs. Yuma's mom, can you play this? Thank you all!
What just happened?
Soon, it was showtime. Dad went first with a brilliant monologue.
Thank you.
Yuma put on an unbelievable magic show. Then, it was Pedro's turn.
Good evening. For tonight's performance, I have selected
You got it, buddy.
a song. Well, a wildfire's a fire that burns out of control. It can burn in the wild, it can burn in your home. Most are caused by careless people,
And that's the sad truth. A wildfire can burn almost anyone's roof.
Pedro and his friends sang long into the night.
Chill out with Pedro. The power of music. I'll tell ya, wildfires are serious business. But we can do a lot to be prepared. Like clear debris from around our home, prepare an emergency kit, an evacuation route, and make sure we check the weather. And when there's a wildfire close by, we gotta listen close to the TV, phone, and local radio, and evacuate when it's time to go. But all this emergency talk does start to make me feel a little anxious. If you ever feel that way, try this. What's your big feeling? What's your big feeling? Breathe in slow and out the same. Picture your emotion, give it a name. Well, if there's one thing I learned about campouts, is that they can be intense and intense. Why is a campout so exhausting? Because it's intense! Oh man, the perfect closer! It was right there. To learn more, visit redcross.org.